I'm going to teach you how to draw parallel channels in TradingView. If you're looking to enhance your technical analysis with visually precise tools, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of creating parallel channels on your TradingView charts. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, we'll need to navigate to the left toolbar on your TradingView interface. Once there, you'll notice a range of tools, but for this exercise, we'll focus on finding the pitchfork or parallel channel tool. This tool is crucial for drawing channels, which can be instrumental in identifying trends or potential areas of support and resistance in the market. Once you've located and selected the parallel channel tool, your next step is to click on your chart to form the channel. You'll need to plot 3 specific points. Start by clicking your desired starting point for the channel, which should be a significant high or low on the chart. This point marks where your channel begins. Next, select an endpoint that aligns with the channel's intended length or the progression of the trend you're observing. This helps define the channel's slope. Finally, the third point will determine the channel's width. This point should be positioned to capture the trend's breadth from another significant high or low, reflecting the trend's maximum volatility range. After you've plotted these 3 points, you can see your channel on the chart. It might not be perfectly aligned with the market's movements just yet, but don't worry. The next step is all about fine-tuning. You'll want to click and hold any of the channel's anchor points, dragging them to adjust the positioning until it snugly fits the price movements of your asset. This flexibility allows you to better tailor the channel to the nuances of the market, an integral part of effective technical analysis. Once you've got your channel where you want it, there are additional customization options to explore. If you double-click on the channel or utilize the floating toolbar that appears, you'll be able to access style settings. These include adjusting colors, changing the channel's border thickness, or playing around with other aesthetic features to suit your preferences. Personalizing these settings can make your analysis more visually intuitive and easier to interpret at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a parallel channel in TradingView. With these skills, you're now better equipped to analyze price trends and make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful in enhancing your TradingView expertise. Keep practicing, and happy trading.